Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move your WhatsApp Messenger from older version of iPhone to the last version of iPhone, that is iPhone 17 Pro Max. So for this purpose, we have to do few things. So we have to go to the older version of WhatsApp to our previous phone. Go to your WhatsApp Messenger here inside. Well, inside everything is fine. Here at the corner, you can see a setting button. Click to the setting button. In setting, you have many options. Here, we have to come to this option. You can see here chats. Go inside to chat. In chat, here, you will see chat backup. Click this one. You see backup now. Hit this button. 161.9 megabytes of backup I have. You could have more backup, gigabyte, doesn't matter. To backup, you have to have connected to your Apple account because all the things will go there. You have to backup always in your Apple account, okay? And at the same time, the newer version of iPhone where you want to move all this chat should be connected with the same Apple account. If you connect with another Apple account, you will not see this chat. You will not see the same WhatsApp in this case. So it's backing up. We have to wait. You see backing up here. We have to wait a little bit more. So backup is done. One more thing, it should be connected with Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi would be faster than cellular network. So backup is done. We don't need to do nothing here else. We leave this phone here. And we'll go to our new iPhone where we want to move the WhatsApp. So first of all, we have to install WhatsApp. For installing WhatsApp, we have to go to Apple Store. Here we go inside Apple Store. In Apple Store, here you have searching button. You see here, tap this one and type WhatsApp. You will see here, click this one here. This one, WhatsApp Messenger. So here you have download button, click this one. Click one more time. It's downloading. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Apple Store, you have to have one Apple account. If you don't know how to make an Apple account, if you don't have Apple account, check the video description to make one Apple account for yourself. Okay, WhatsApp is downloading. So WhatsApp is done. You have open button here, but I'm not gonna open from here. I want to show you where is here in my app. So you should be here. If you don't see here, you should be in apps drawer. Here we go. So I click this one. You have to hit agree and continue button. Continue. Hit allow. You have to put your phone number, the same phone number. You have another WhatsApp that you want to move from there to here. So put your phone number. Perfect. Name of your country up here. It will take automatically which is the SIM you have. Okay, Spain in this case. I hit next button. Two-way verification you see here. To set up verification, if you have some code, you have to put that code. Verifying PIN. Restore from iCloud. I have some old data in iCloud from this phone. We have backup, so all the chat will appear in this new phone. So I hit here restore. If you want to do that, hit restore. If you don't want, you can hit skip button as well. So in this case, I hit restore button. So restoring chat, you see here 162.2 megabytes. So it will take little bit time in this case. So if you have gigabytes, it will take more depending on the velocity of your internet or other stuff as well. I think all is done. Here is the next button. I hit next here. My name, account, you see, would you like WhatsApp contact? Of course, I hit continue. Everything I share with another account to this one here is Harry J. Write in my name. Your name will appear. If it's not, you have to write. Normally they should appear. Hit done button. You see restoring media, everything is going on. Meanwhile, all my chat is here. I open here. In older WhatsApp, I had this one. So all my message and everything is appearing here. You see lovely. The restoring, it will take some moments. Meanwhile, we can go in the older phone and we go WhatsApp. So this WhatsApp, it should not, you see, you have been logged out, so you can use WhatsApp in one phone only so far. So it's done, it's out from here and is restoring all my data. Everything is done, so you can use WhatsApp as you are using in the older phone without doing anything, guys. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.